So, question 1 on the calc-free. Let's scroll down and see what's going on in this question. Over here, I've just got a few little snippets cut and paste from the formula sheet because question 1, it's very straightforward. Evaluate exactly. I'm not sure why the examiners insist on putting exactly when it's the calculator free. Not that many kids are going to say, right, pi is 3.14, we'll double it and take off 2 and come up with a decimal approximation. But, well, I guess it's kind of what they like to do. Anyway, here we go. Evaluate this integral. So we see that there's a cos squared in there. We know that for those, we are straight off to the formula sheet for the trig identities. And if you haven't learnt this one, then we can see that 2 cos squared x is going to be cos of 2x plus 1. So that means 4 cos squared x will be 2 cos 2x plus 2. And then we write out the integral with that in place. Next we do the antiderivative. So 2 cos 2x is sine of 2x. 2 becomes 2x. And the minus sine x becomes positive cos x from 0 to pi. And then we substitute pi in first. So sine of 2 pi is 0. 2 pi is 2 pi, cos of pi is negative 1, and then go again with 0. Sine of 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, and cos of 0 is 1. And then we basically tidy it up. So what have we got? We've got a 2 pi from here, minus 1 from here, minus 1 from there is 2 pi minus 2, and we're done.